As we take a look at this footage, this is the rear camera. And remember, I exaggerated this area purposely. And I want you to pay attention when you see the red come out on one side of the camera, that means it's detecting a vehicle. But notice the sound when it goes to the opposite side. It's giving you two distinctive sounds. That way you know what's on the right side and on the left side. All right, again, you could continue hearing the different sounds. All right, now this is for the front detection, and you're going to hear the voices come out when I get closer to the vehicle. And again, this is the front detection. Show front camera.
Okay. Safe distance. Safe distance.
Come on, try to get that yellow in there. And you can hear these other sounds. As you notice the yellow is the sensor. When it gets too close to one side, it's warning to be careful not to get too close to vehicles.
Safe distance. Clear for collision. Safe distance. Clear for collision.
Now here you're going to notice when I start switching lanes, you hear the lane alerts. And I'm going to go ahead and go over the lines purposely. And you're going to hear all the lane detections come out.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure.
And you see when I switch over lanes how it's warning you, or warning me really.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure.
And here I go again on a solid double line. Now this is for the pedestrians. You see one on the right? And it says, how it says to clear the way.
What do you say?
It sounds like it's saying something else.
It's like somebody was there. And caught it.
And here you could see my son in the front, and you see the yellow detection and how it's already indicating that there's somebody there. Now when he's out of the yellow, it still detects him, but it's not in the yellow.